When I want to say about too big, too small, drink too much, eat too much. How do you say this in Japanese language? That means when you want to say about something that is too big, too small, or drink too much, eat too much, which make you fat or is not good for your body. In Japanese, they will use Sugimasu to help explain the action that happen. So in this video clip, we will learn how to use Sugimasu to make explain about something is too big, too small, or too much. As in here, we have some example like this. ゆうべお酒を飲みすぎました。ゆうべお酒を飲みすぎました。Which means I drank too much last night. In this, you will see that we have the verb nomimasu, which from the dictionary form, this means like nomu, right? So if we say in the dictionary form, we say nomu. In the mass form, we say nomimasu. But when it just say nomu or nomimasu, it means drink or drank. But when you want to say drink too much or drank too much, you should use the verb, the help word like sugi or sugimasu to help explain. For example, you can use with the verb with the nomu, right? But when you use with the sugi or sugimasu, you should change the verb to be the mass form, but you cut out the mass so you can connect with the sugimasu or sugi. I was here we say nomu, right? Nomimasu, but we cut out the mass form, so we left only nomi, and after that we followed by sugimashita. Sugimashita is mean in the past tense, so you can say nomi sugimashita, which means you drank too much, right? So we don't know about how much about a liter. So but we just say that over, something is over, it means you drink over or you drink too much. But when you want to say in the present simple tense, you can say nomi sugimasu. But here they say yube is mean last night, so we can say in the past tense form like nomi sugimashita. And another example, here we have the sentence like this. このセーターは大きすぎます。このセーターは大きすぎます。Which means this sweater is too big for me. And here we have the 大きすぎます。大き is from the dictionary is from the adjective in the e adjective. So anytime you use with the e adjective, you should cut out the e. As you see here, we don't have the e, right? Oki, actually we just say about the adjective oki, we should have the e. Oki. So when we use the adjective it with the sugimasu, we should cut out the e. So we have only oki sugimasu. Oki sugimasu is mean too big. The size is too big for me, right? It mean that like that. But you just say oki sugimasu, it mean it's too big for me. And right, if you just say about us oki, it mean big, right? If you just say about oki, it mean big. But to help explain to be the too big, we should use sugimasu to help the adjective. And another example, we also have the example like this. 最近の車は操作が簡単すぎて運転が面白くないです。 最近の車は操作が簡単すぎて運転が面白くないです。It means that modern cars are no fun. They are too easy to drive, right? As recently we have the EV and we have the car that nobody drive, it just go by itself, right? So that means it's no fun. But in here, to create a sentence like this, we will see in here we have about a verb like kantan, right? After kantan is followed by sugite. Sugite is from the sugimasu or sugiru, but we change to be the te form, so we can say sugite. And before the sugite is about the verb like kantan, right? Kantan is mean easy. Easy. Kantan is mean easy, and if you want to create a sentence like too easy, right? Too easy, you should use sugimasu or sugiru to help explain the word or the adjective. Kantan is from the na adjective. You can say kantan na, right? Kantan na koto, right? Kantan na shitsumon, something like this. But when you use the na adjective with the sugi, you should cut out the na. You use only the adjective. So kantan only, right? Kantan and followed by, for example, kire sugi. You cannot say kire na sugi. You don't say like this. Kire is also with the na adjective, but we don't say kire na. We cut out the na, just left only kantan or kire only sugite. So what you have to remember is about when you use with the na, you cut out the na. So in here you can say kantan sugite. 運転が面白くないです。運転 is mean driving, driver, driving. So 面白くない is mean 面白 is fun, but you say 面白くない is mean not fun or not enjoy. So in this example, we learn how to use about the na adjective with the sugimasu. And here we also have another example, like いくら好きでも飲みすぎると体に悪いですよ。いくら好きでも飲みすぎると体に悪いですよ。It means no matter how much you like it, drinking too much is bad for your health. No matter how much you like it, drinking too much is bad for your health. As in here, you have the verb like no me, right? At the last moment, we already learned about no mi sugi master, right? So in here we say no mi sugiru to. If we use with to, it mean if. It mean if. You have the meaning that if you drink too much, right? No mi is mean drink. What you follow by sugiru is mean too much. So it means no mi sugiru is mean drink too much. To is mean if, right? So I mean when you say no mi sugiru to, it mean if you drink too much. Ikura suki demo is mean how much, how matter, how much you like it, right? Karada ni warui desu yo. It's not good for your health. It's not good for your body. So this is about how to use the sugimasu or sugiru. What you have to remember is about when you use the sugimasu or sugiru with the verb, the adjective, 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 and so on. You should remember how to use. When you use with it, you should adjective, you should cut out the e. When you use with na adjective, you should cut out the na. Just say only that adjective. For example, kire sugi mas, right? And when you use with the The verb, you should change the verb to be the must form, but you cut out the must. For example, no me, right? No me must. You don't say that, you say no me sugimasu. Something like this. So if you have any question, please comment below. I'll be happy to answer your question. ありがとうございました。